Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Rocket Money Android app. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps users track their expenses, create budgets, and set financial goals. To get started, download and install the Rocket Money app from the Google Play Store. First, link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. This will allow Rocket Money to track your transactions and provide you with a clear picture of your financial situation. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting the Accounts option. Next, set up your budget by categorizing your transactions into different groups such as housing, food, and entertainment. This will help you understand where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. You can also set budget limits for each category to ensure you stay on track. Another key feature of Rocket Money is its ability to track your bills and subscriptions. You can add your bills and subscriptions to the app and receive reminders when payments are due. This will help you avoid late fees and penalties. To get the most out of Rocket Money, make sure to regularly review your transactions and budget. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to your spending habits. You can also use the app's savings goal feature to set aside money for specific purposes such as a vacation or emergency fund. In addition to these features, Rocket Money also provides investment tracking and credit score monitoring. You can link your investment accounts to the app and track your portfolio performance. You can also check your credit score for free and receive tips on how to improve it. By following these tips and using the Rocket Money app regularly, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay disciplined and patient, and do not hesitate to reach out to the Rocket Money support team if you have any questions or need assistance. With Rocket Money, you can manage your finances with ease and make progress towards a more secure financial future.